Hey guys, my name is Shoya Srivastav and I'm a full-time options trader and I teach people how to grow their trading account using options trading. So during my workshops, a lot of people ask me about the practical aspects of trading, on how to go ahead on a platform like Zerodha and place an order for buying or selling of options. So today I'll be giving a quick tutorial on the key elements and features of Zerodha and how to place your order. I'll quickly go through 5 key elements that are available on Zerodha that will quickly help you understand how to use Zerodha, and then I'll also show you how to place an order. The first element that you really need to know about is called the dashboard. It's the first page that opens when you open your Zerodha account or log into your Zerodha account. You get a quick summary of your funds, the amount of your fund that's been used up, the overview of the market and your current positions. So this just gives you a broad view of your trading account. The second element you need to know about is called the watch list. The watch list is present on the left side panel of your screen. You have multiple pages on this watch list on which you can go ahead and add instruments or add stocks or options. So for example, if I wish to trade a stock like, let's say, Infosys, so I just got to go ahead and type that and I'm going to get the stock for Infosys. I can click this add plus sign for me to add it to the screen. So let's say I want to trade Bank Nifty 32,000 CE or 32,000 call option. I would go ahead and type 32,000. But I'm going to find Bank Nifty options contracts, weekly and monthly contracts of this strike rate of 32,000. So I want to go ahead and add Bank Nifty 32,000 CE for the month of January. Now that I've shown you how to add scripts to your watch list, let me also show you the third element, which is charts. So let's just say that I want to know how the price has been moving for this script or for this option. I would just hover my mouse over this and I would get an option for chart. So I click that and I'm going to get a screen like this which gets loaded here where I can see the chart price varying. I have set my default to a 5-minute candle as I'm an intraday trader. So I get to know the price every 5 minutes or so on this screen, and this is how I analyze my information here. You as a trader are free to go ahead and play around with these parameters for you to view charts and other features at different time intervals and with different features, with indicators and templates. So you're free to just go ahead and explore that. The fourth element that I would like to tell you about is called the positions tab. So when I click on the positions tab, I'm going to see my active trades that are present at that moment, or the active executed trades at that moment. So as you can see, I have made 2 trades. I have made one call sell option with -25 and one put sell option with -25. So I have 2 executed trades. This is also kind of like the place where I can see my live profit. So I'm roughly 1,240 rupees up, and this is the place where you can get to see this summary of your profit. The fifth and the last element that I would like to tell you about is called the orders tab. When you go to the orders tab, you can see all your active and pending orders. I'll quickly explain how to place an order, but this is the place where you get an overview of your active and pending orders. At the moment, I have no active and no pending orders as these are off market hours. So let's go ahead and show you now how to place an order for options trading. So as an intraday trader, you will basically place 3 types of orders. You will have an entry order, you will place a stop loss, and you will plan an exit. So I'll quickly start with the entry order. So if I am an option seller, what I will do is I will first add the option on my watch list. So I have added Bank Nifty January 32,000 CE or 32,000 call option. So I want to come in and sell this at a good price, and I wish for the price to drop to a lower price where I can leave and make profit. So if I hover my mouse over this script, I'm going to find a buy and a sell option. I'll click on the sell option and I get this order tab or this order box. and on this orders tab, we can quickly see that the quantity is 25 because Bank Nifty is traded in lots of 25. So I can put in 25, 50, 75, 100 and so on. So if I quickly show you the types of orders, you have regular, cover, bracket, AMO. Please stick to regular to begin with. Cover order and bracket order provides you various features by which you can sort of plan entries and exits within the same order. But I would suggest as a beginner, just stick to regular. I'll just describe the regular order for this tutorial. So you have intraday versus overnight. So if you want to exit your trade within the same day, you have to pick intraday. Or if you want to hold it to the next day, then you have to pick overnight. The charges will be different if you pick intraday versus overnight. So if you intend to hold intraday, please click on intraday itself. You have two options here called the market and the limit order. The market order means that it will execute this trade at the current market price. So the premium of 54 rupees or the price of 54 rupees at which it's trading, it will trigger it in and around this price itself. So if I want to specifically sell this option at the current instantaneous market price, I would just click market and then click sell. If I click limit, I can specify the exact price at which I want to enter. So if based on my analysis, I feel that I don't want to enter at 54, I think it's going to go up before it goes down. If I want to enter at, let's say 60, I can set that and I can then click limit and click sell. Do keep in mind that you will get some of these more options which you do not need to worry about. Setting the validity as default to day is perfectly fine. You don't need to really change that. You can quickly see here how much of your margin is being used up. So if I execute this trade, 40,000 rupees will get blocked as margin for making this trade. So that is pretty much how you execute an entry order. So once I make this order, it will actually show up in my orders tab as executed or pending, depending on the kind of order that I've put in. Once the order gets executed and the trade is active, it will show up as one row on my positions tab. So what do I do from here? Now let's say I want to place a stop loss. I go on one of the positions that I have active. I click on options and I click exit. Since my entry was a sell order, the exit will always be a buy order. I will want to do an intraday exit as my entry in the previous example was an intraday entry. I have now an option to place a stop loss. So I suggest you to use these two options and specifically the SLM option. SLM stands for stop loss market, which means that I can provide a trigger price at which a market exit will take place. So if the premium is trading at 31 rupees, let's just say that I decide that I would want to exit if the price shoots up to, let's say, 42 rupees, 11 more rupees. So what I will do is I will go here and I will type in 42. Once I do this, the system will automatically exit my order at 42 rupees or exit this position of mine when the price of this option hits 42. This way I can limit my loss in case the market is not moving in my favor. It's really important to put stop losses, so please do not ignore this. So that's how you place a stop loss, and I'm going to also talk about exit orders. I'm going to talk about exit orders. So assuming the stop loss has not been hit and this order is still active by the end of the day, in the case of options trading, you'll typically find that this price has started dipping close to zero on expiry day. So you want to exit your current set of positions. So what you have two options here. You can individually go click exit. You can select intraday and market and just buy back at whatever price it falls to by the end of the day. Or you can even sort of, let's say you're a person like me who gets involved in like 10 or 12 trades, then I have this checkbox here. I can click all of these and just click exit. And I get this tab for me to confirm the exit, and it'll exit all of the orders at market price at once. That's pretty much how you enter, place a stop loss and plan for your exit. Okay, so that's it guys. I hope you had fun watching this, and it was a quick and easy tutorial on how to use the basic elements of Zerodha and how to place entry, stop losses and exit orders. I hope you had fun watching this. Thank you and see you next time.